Hello everyone, welcome to the Rewist channel. My name is Michael Apollon. I'm an epidemiologist. I have 10 years experiences in public health, 6 years in field study concept and realizations. So in this channel, we will have the opportunities to share with you some topics about descriptive and analytic study design. We will also talk about social qualitative research data analysis. We will have either the possibilities to share with you some software and utilities that you can use to successfully achieve your project. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and activate the notification button in order to be kept informed when new video are released. Thank you for watching.